Oh, he's happy. Look. Oh, what is going on here? This is wild. Okay, so this is not something I expected to be holding at CES. This is a robot, but not a robot vacuum. It's warm, it reacts to you, it moves like it's alive. And honestly, it's kind of weirdly convincing. But hold on to that, I'll explain what that is in a minute. This year at CES, ECOVACS had a very clear message: robotics for all. Not just one robot in one room, but robots for every part of your home, indoors and out. And this is in theory. ECOVACS has sold millions of robots worldwide, across vacuums, window cleaners, lawn mowers, and they've been refining this technology for more than a decade. Let's start outside with the GOAT! The GOAT A3000 LiDAR Pro Robotic Lawnmower. This one gets two major upgrades. First, it now has a built-in automatic string trimmer that extends and retracts on its own, so it can trim along curves, fences, and flower beds, the stuff most robot mowers leave behind. Because at the end of the day, if it can't get the stuff on the edges, you gotta go back and redo that. And who wants to do that? Second, it uses something called Holoscope 360, which is a dual LiDAR navigation system, and it creates a full 3D map of your yard. This replaces GPS and real-time positioning, which can struggle when there's trees, buildings, or on a cloudy day. The GOAT can recognize and avoid over 200 different objects and mow about 4,300 square feet per hour, which seems really nuts. And it can also handle up to 3/4 of an acre. ECOVACS also entered an entirely new category this year: robotic pool cleaning. And I like how they framed this. A pool isn't just a pool, it's where you spend your time with family and friends. It's supposed to be relaxing and not another chore. And all the people I know that have had pools, they always said it was such a big chore. The Ultramarine series was built to fix what pool owners hate: spotty cleaning, complicated setup, and products that don't last. These new robots map the pool, adapt to its shape, clean floors, walls, and the water line. Think about it as a little robot vacuum in your pool. The Ultramarine P1 circulates up to 4,800 gallons per hour, uses intelligent path optimization, and runs cordless for up to 3 hours. The C1 steps it up with longer 4-hour runtime, stronger suction, a 4-roller ultra scrub system, and 3D obstacle avoidance for things like ladders, drains, and lights. Everything is handled through the app, and the robot understands the environment instead of just moving randomly through the pool. What's interesting is you're seeing the same ideas show up in all of their products: smart navigation, obstacle avoidance, edge cleaning. ECOVACS takes tech that works in one category and refines it across the rest. Inside the home, a lot of focus this year was on removing friction. One of the biggest robot vacuum complaints has always been charging. The robot cleans half your house, and then you have to wait hours for it to recharge to finish. With their new Power Boost charging, the robot can recharge in minutes during short docking cycles and then keep going to finish the cleaning job. There is an AI stain detection, a larger Osmo roller mop that cleans edge to edge, and they have this thing so that hair gets picked up, doesn't get tangled in the robot, and a system that washes the mop while it cleans the floor. That's awesome. Now, a step above the T90 is the flagship X12, which adds infrared stain detection, which has targeted spray, and it pre-treats the mess and lets it sit and then cleans it up. It also has hot water washing, hot air drying, and bagless auto emptying. Another thing ECOVACS talks about a lot is design. These robots aren't meant to be hidden anymore. They're designed to actually belong in your home, with softer colors, warmer materials, and stations that feel more like furniture than appliances. One of the things I liked the most, besides obviously the robot dog, was the WinBot window cleaner. The new WinBot system includes a Vortex Wash Omni Station. Basically, it's a little washing machine for the cleaning pad that you see on the bottom of the WinBot. You slide in the pad, and in about a minute, it's pressure washed, scrubbed, and ready to continue cleaning. In the previous version, customers complained about how often they had to clean the pad while the robot was doing a window or a set of windows. So now they're trying to make everything easier. So the station has a little washing machine inside of it. Now, back to this little guy. Up until now, robots have mostly been tools, things that clean floors, cut grass, or wash windows. ECOVACS is clearly exploring what comes after that. Lil Milo is a robotic companion. It sees, hears, responds to emotion, and learns how you interact with it over time, which I think is still a little freaky because there's like a LLM in there, and I don't know what it's trying to like find out about me, but I guess only time will tell. It doesn't talk, it does listen, and it reacts. And of course, it's a dog without all the dog stuff, like going to the bathroom and walking the dog and feeding the dog and all that kind of thing. I'm not saying it's going to replace a pet, but after seeing everything else here, Milo makes more sense. It's what happens when robots stop being just tools. Big shout out to ECOVACS for sponsoring the CES video and for letting me get hands-on with all this new tech. I got more CES coverage coming at you. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.